Hey, welcome back. So if you came back, you already know what to do. Like, subscribe, and tell a friend. Let's get to the story. Am I the asshole for refusing to remove my plants after they nearly killed my neighbor's cat? We have 3 cats, absolutely handsome boys who we love dearly. Given this, I rarely bring lilies home. And when I do, it's always gifts from my mother. I miss her a lot, and she's given me lilies since I was a kid. They hold a lot of sentimental value. We recently purchased a home, and I always keep them locked in my office and do not allow the cats in until they've died. The lilies. And I've had a chance to press them with notes my mother sends me. It's a hassle ensuring that there is zero contact, meaning I rarely have them in the household for my cat's safety. Given that they're my favorite plant and have such sentimental value, but we want to be safe with our cats, our garden is decked in them. We do not have lilies that are big pollen producers, if anyone is worried about that. Lots of research has gone into that to ensure we aren't covered in pollen coming inside. All right, looks like you've done your homework. However, they cannot be eaten by cats. Here's the am I the asshole. I warned my neighbors that we have lilies in our garden. Several of our neighbors have cats, and we have given them a heads up. Great neighbor, great human. And we have given them a heads up on the date in which garden construction would begin. Nobody protested and thanked us for warning them. Some did not know about lily toxicity, so you educated them. We have a large privacy fence, as we have a Doberman as well. So it's not an easy backyard to get into to begin with. All right. I came home from work 2 weeks ago and heard howling in the backyard. One of the neighbor's cats had managed to get into our yard and absolutely went to town on our flower bed. I didn't recognize the cat, but threw it in a carrier and headed to the vet. Once he was there, I checked with the neighbors to see whose cat it was. He seemed like a great person. The cat belonged to someone we had talked to. She screamed at me over allowing her cats to eat the plants, but I just took her to the vet. High stress, no big deal. However, last week she started an argument as I was walking the dog. It initially started with me asking how the cat was doing, dumb mistake, and escalated into her calling me a cat killer. Side note, she didn't kill the cat. I ended up exchanging nasty comments about how she should keep her animal on her property. Another side note, yeah, the saying goes, a cat left outside is not a cat that is alive. Don't let cats outside. Cats are predators. They kill the ecosystem. Keep them inside. They're not supposed to be outside. Okay, back to the story. Today, I found a letter detailing her vet bill and her demanding to pay it. My husband wanted to just throw it away, but at this point, I'm so angry. We have a fenced-in private yard. I let the neighbors know in advance, and she didn't even know where her cat was. So how much did she really care? She's lucky my dog wasn't out. Anyway, am I the asshole? I really don't want to rip up the plants because this is the only place we can have them to keep our cats safe. They have so much sentimental value, but I also know that people let their cats out regardless. There's a lot of confusion on the cat status. The cat survived. She just called me a cat killer because kidney failure is no joke. I am not sure on his current health status, but have seen him outside since. So I know at least he's up to kitty cat business. I don't think you're the asshole. I don't. You did your due diligence. You let all the neighbors know what was going to happen. You even educated your neighbors on the toxicity of lilies. And when the cat got injured, you took the cat to the vet. I think you're pretty responsible. I don't think you're an asshole. Again, if you have a cat, don't let them outside. Cats absolutely destroy the ecosystem. They kill stuff just to kill it. If you love your cats, keep them inside. I don't think you're the asshole. All right, bye, guys. Let me know your comments because you guys disagree sometimes, and that is totally okay. Bye.